what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys new here, hi, this is Shreyushi and welcome to my channel. So first of all, just tell me in the comment section that how I am looking, like not my face and makeup, the video quality, and I am like super duper excited to shoot this video because you guys know that this is my first video with my new camera जो कि मैंने खुद के पैसों से खरीदा है and this is the best thing for me right now and it feels like I can see you more clearly right now and oh my god, today I am like very excited. But one thing I don't know how it will turn out is the voice quality because before that I used to shoot with my voice recorder. मेरे पास मेरी खुद की mic है, from that I shoot actually, but the thing is that इस कैमरा पे वो mic attach करने की जगह कहीं पर भी नहीं है, so I have to buy a Bluetooth mic or something, so I really don't know about the voice quality. So I am taking sorry like before that. Anyways, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my top 10 favorite nude lipstick, and nude lipstick is like trending and one of the most selling lipstick I guess. So everyone should has at least one best nude lipstick, and I have like a exact same 10 nude lipstick variation previous also, but that video is like more over like affordable side. Like highest lipstick ka range, if I am not wrong, was like 500, but in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys mix like affordable one, drugstore one and the high-end one also. So it's totally up to you what you will choose. And also I haven't picked any lipstick from old that video. I will attach that वीडियो लिंक ऊपर और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन चेक दैट. सो आज का जो वीडियो का जो लिपस्टिक है दैट इज स्टार्ट इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग फ्रॉम 200 रुपीज़ टू 2000 रुपीज़. सो नाउ इट्स टोटली अप टू यू व्हिच वन यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट. एंड ऑनेस्टली गाइज दिस 10 लिपस्टिक्स आर लाइक माई टॉप मोस्ट फेवरेट, दैट्स वाई आई चूज दिस एंड आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइज रैंडमली, नॉट लाइक 1 to 10 बेस्ट से लेके मेरा लिस्ट फेवरेट तक. नो, सभी मेरा बहुत अच्छा फेवरेट है. सो इफ यू गाइज आर interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so before starting this video, one thing I want to tell you that please give this video a like क्योंकि I will swatch 10 lipstick on my lips, so you can understand that after doing this video my lips will be like swollen. So yeah, first let me just start with the lipstick जो मेरे lips पे already है, which is this. Okay, so this is Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick and this is in the shade Sheikha or something like that, and you can see that it's already on my lips, so I'm not going to swatch it again. So you can see that. Can I zoom it? Okay, sorry, let me just zoom it little so you can understand. Okay, so you can understand from my lips that it's like a mauve tone. So purely it's a mauve tone and it's a dewy finish. This is not like a matte. Of course this lipstick पे smudge होगा because this is not your matte lipstick, so you can understand like इतु समय भी बहुत सारा smudge होता है, so make sure that. And it has a glossy finish. I completely love this. And also if you're wondering about this makeup look will come on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. And anyways, the first lipstick is this, and this का range if I am not wrong around 1800 to 2000 like इस mid के कहीं पर भी है. Okay, next this is Maybelline Creamy Matte and this is in the shade Touch of Spice. And with this I am going to show you this lipstick. This is MAC, you can see that this is MAC and this is in the shade Meher. And why I am showing you these two lipstick you will see in a second. And look at this is like the exact dupe. MAC का ये लिपस्टिक पहले से ही था, you guys know that. And Maybelline का ये जो Touch of Spice है, I think this is new and this is like exact dupe. I will swatch, but on my lips, on my lower lips I will use this Meher and on my upper lips I will use this. And you can understand this is like the 100% of replica. This cost only 299 rupees and it cost, this is small, still it cost more than 1000 rupees. So it's now totally up to you. If you have like an affection with MAC then definitely go for it, but if you want this color I will suggest that please go for it. So yeah, now I'm going to swatch it and you'll see. Can you find any difference? Like look at this, no difference as such. नीचे मेहर है, ऊपर Maybelline का है and you can't even get that. ऊपर का लिपस्टिक का प्राइस है 300 and नीचे का स्मॉल वर्जन का लिपस्टिक का प्राइस है more than 1000 rupees. So yeah, now it's totally up to you. move on to again Maybelline lipstick, because these are like more affordable version, like more affordable version. This is Maybelline nude lipstick, and this is in the shade Barely Nude. Okay, so next move on to fifth lipstick, and I have include this lipstick also my first video. So the thing is that why I have include this, only these two lipstick I have include from that video, because these two lipsticks are like the best nude lipstick in affordable version, so I have to include this in lipstick. And this is Buzzkill from Nykaa, and this is their Masaba collection. Move on to this is Color Bar lipstick, and this is in the shade 98 Wannabe. Okay, next move on to this is Nykaa lipstick, and this is in the shade 25M. Don't worry, I will link down everything. And this is a beautiful chocolate tone, and chocolate is like everyone's love. And now I'm going to apply it, and you will see that this color is so beautiful. Okay, so next move on to this lipstick, and इसका okay, so wait, okay, so you can understand from the packaging is that ये बहुत गंदा है, and you can see that इसका ऊपर का जो टॉपिंग है उसका ओरिजिनल कलर ही चला गया, क्योंकि I am topping this lipstick. Trust me guys, I am topping this lipstick almost with every nude lipstick, and this is Wet n Wild lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Sugar. इसका writing बहुत small है, it will not catch up camera, though the picture quality you can understand the zooming power is too much, but I don't think it will catch this ittu sa tiny sa letter. So don't worry, I will write here and also description box पे. And on its own, honestly you can't wear it, like no matter what skin type or skin color you have, you can't wear this on its own, because it's extremely pale. Like look at this, can you see, it's extremely pale. But one thing you can do is like just use a dark lip liner, then press little it, mum your lips like this, like जैसे माम करते हैं. मामिंग का क्या मैं सिखाऊंगी आपको. Look at this. Now you can see that this color is beautiful. So लास्ट लिपस्टिक पे ऊपर हम पहुंचे गए हैं. दिस इज लाइक द सेकेंड लास्ट, एंड दिस इज मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन प्रो. इसके फुल बॉडी पे कहीं पर भी इसका नाम लिखा नहीं है, यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है. दिस इज प्रो सुप्रीम मैट डीप पिगमेंट एंड अफेक्शन, आई बिलीव इसका बहुत बड़ा नाम है. डोंट वरी, आई विल लिंक डाउन. एंड दिस कलर इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. एंड इसका कलर जो है ना, ऐसे कलर के ऊपर मेरे पास और लिपस्टिक बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. लाइक दिस कलर इज ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक लुक एट दिस. Okay, so now it's time for most favorite lipstick, and this is this Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Prom Night. ये ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाला है, एंड आई एम लाइक नो, मैं इतू सा करके इस्तेमाल करती, इसलिए मैंने इसको लास्ट पे इस्तेमाल किया ताकि मुझे थोड़ी देर बाद रिमूव करना पड़े. So yeah, this is the lipstick. It is little pale, but why I chose this, like you can see the jadoo. Don't use this lipstick directly, like this shade seems little pale on your lips, so first border your lips with any kind of a dark lipstick or lip liner. And look at the color, and you understand that why I am telling this is like my affection. And the formula, I don't know what is the formula, man. You can't even get that आपके ऊपर लिपस्टिक है. And look at this. Oh my, this is one of the best bullet lipstick I have ever used. And yeah, this is my final last and one of my most favorite, like my favorite lipstick ever. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. होप यू हैव लाइक्ड इट एंड होपफुली इसमें से कोई भी लिपस्टिक आपको पसंद आया है एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड दिस इन योर वैनिटी. बाय द वे दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय एनी ब्रांड. इतना सारा ब्रांड एक साथ किसी को स्पॉन्सर नहीं करते ऑनेस्टली. एंड एनीवेज या अब लाइक स्टार्ट मैंने किसी और लिपस्टिक के साथ किया था, एंड में किसी और लिपस्टिक के साथ कर रही हूँ. एनीवेज दिस इज माई फेवरेट लिपस्टिक. सो या डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस यार, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा भी फिलहाल लिप्स जो है वो पेन हो रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. आई विल सी यू वेरी सून, लाइक दिस वीक पे आई विल सी यू अगेन. एंड या सी यू गाइस ऑन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय, स्टे हैप्पी एंड द मोस्ट importantly stay safe, stay positive and also stay happy. Bye bye.